Welcome back to Meditation with Renee. I am Renee. This marks the 5th day of our 30-day meditation challenge with the theme Connect. Today's topic, we will be meditating about anxiety. As always, find your preferred sitting position, including your hand position. If you feel comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes or leave them open. Also, I recommend that you start keeping a journal, so that way we don't have to try to remember everything that we think about or discuss in these sessions. We're going to go ahead and start with a deep breath in and out. Again, deep breath in and out. Now this time on the inhale, we're going to hold for 4 seconds. Deep breath in, holding, and exhaling. Good, one more time. Deep breath in, holding, and exhaling. Very good. Excuse me. I would like to ask a question, or ask a couple of questions. When was the last time that we had an anxiety attack or episode? Was it yesterday? Was it today? A couple of days ago? What time of the day was it? In the morning? In the evening? What were you doing when it occurred? Were you driving to work? Maybe rushing in the morning to get the kids ready? Maybe during a discussion with a coworker? Maybe your spouse? What do you remember about that time? What important factors should we notate in our journal? Did you have a good night's rest? What maybe can we learn from that situation? Maybe events leading up to it? Now I would like you to use the sound of my voice as your focus point or your focus anchor. Please repeat after me. I am safe. I am safe. I am safe. I will be okay. I will be okay. I will be okay. Everything will be okay, just like last time. Everything will be okay, just like last time. I will be okay. I will be okay. I am safe. I am safe. Now we're going to go ahead and do a deep breath in. Hold it for 4 seconds. And exhale. Good. Deep breath in. Hold it for 4 seconds. And exhale. Deep breath in. Hold it. And exhale. Once again, last time. Deep breath in. Hold it. And exhale. Very good. I want to congratulate you on completing the 5th day of this 30-day meditation. Please remember that the better we will feel, the more comfortable we will be with everything is in practice. The more we practice, the better we will feel, and the more that we'll feel that we can achieve with this meditation practice. Go ahead and start wiggling your toes. Maybe wiggling your fingers. If your eyes are closed, go ahead and open them now if you're ready. Great job today. Remember to not be self-judging. Don't judge yourself too harshly. Just know that the benefits will come in the repetition of practice. Great job today. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.